Are you still using the same face cream morning and night? That could be the reason your skin isn't glowing. Let me show you the best morning and night face cream combo that will give you that smooth, spotless, glowing face.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. After my last video on day and night body lotions to combine, someone requested I make a face cream version of that video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 face cream combo that you can use morning and night in your skincare routine to achieve that smooth, beautiful, spotless, glowing face. So if your goal is to clear your dark spots, brighten up your skin, glow your face, and have a smooth, spotless face, then this particular video is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Now, I know a lot of you will be wondering, Judith, what's the essence of having a day cream and a night cream in your routine? Well, one face cream alone cannot handle it all. If you're someone battling with dark spots or you have a dull looking face and you really want to brighten up your skin without damaging your skin barrier, then you need to have a day cream as well as a night cream. That way you're going to achieve your skincare goals without altering your skin barrier or damaging your skin. The first face cream combo I have for you guys is this one right here, and that is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel combined together with Always Bright face cream. This is one combo that I've been using in my skincare routine. I use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel during the day and then use my Always Bright face cream at night. Now, the whole essence of having this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is to be able to moisturize and nourish my skin during the day. Like I told you guys in my previous video, the whole essence of you having a day cream as well as a night face cream is to be able to protect your skin and at the same time treat or tackle your skin concern. So for instance, if your goal is to brighten up your complexion without altering your skin barrier or damaging your skin, then you need to understand that one face cream alone cannot handle it all. For some people, using a moisturizer alone in their routine can make them go dark. So if you're someone like that, you will need to have like a night cream that will be able to add that brightness and glow effect on your face. Now, one thing I would love you to take away from today's video is that what your skin needs during the day is not the same with what it needs at night. During the day, your skin loves hydration and protection, and that's where this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel comes in. While at night is when your skin actually loves to repair itself. So you need to feed it with treatment ingredients or ingredients that can be able to brighten up your skin and glow your complexion. And that is the whole essence of having like a brightening face cream or using a brightening or lightening face cream at night. And that's where the Always Bright face cream comes in. This particular face cream is one of my favorite face cream of all time, and that is simply because it's going to help you brighten up your complexion, glow your skin, and give you a smooth, spotless, glowing face. Honestly speaking, this is actually one face cream I've been stuck with for the longest time, and that is because of the way it helps to brighten and glow your complexion. So if you're looking to achieve a smooth, spotless, glowing face, cop this too. This is a perfect combo that is going to brighten your skin and glow your complexion. So in other words, this is going to help gradually treat your dark spots, brighten your complexion, and give you a smooth, bright skin. While this right here is going to protect your skin, moisturize your skin, and serve as a nourishment cream. So your face is actually going to look all smooth, all bright and glowy when you pair or combine those two face creams together. So use this Neutrogena during the day and use this Always Bright face cream at night, and you're going to love the effect. This Neutrogena face cream contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, and is a water gel face cream. This is something you apply on your face and is actually suitable for both oily skin, acne prone skin. In fact, all skin types can use this. This is one of my favorite face creams. Since I got this, I've been totally stuck with it because of how moisturizing and nourishing it is on the skin. And you know the fun fact, if you are an oily girly, like you usually break out and all of that, get this particular face cream. You're going to love it. It's simply amazing, and it's going to help moisturize, nourish, and give you a soft, smooth, beautiful face. So pairing or combining those two face creams together is going to give you a lovely, smooth, beautiful face. You're definitely going to be getting compliments and a lot of people asking you, hey, what are you using on your face? If I can count the amount of times people have stopped me to ask me what exactly it is I am using on my face or my skin, like, and it's all thanks to this bad boys right here. So go try it out and come and thank me later. Now, the next or second face cream combo I have for you guys, that when you combine together, you're definitely going to have a smooth, spotless face, is combining the simple moisturizing face cream together with the pure carrot face cream. See, when you pair these two together, you're going to love your face. See, this is one affordable face cream combo that will leave you with a smooth, bright, succulent face. The way your face is going to look all plump, all healthy, like you're using Korean products, you're definitely going to love it. This is a combo I have plugged a client to, and she really loved it. The simple face cream is there to help you moisturize your skin during the day, so it doesn't do much. It's just a regular moisturizer. So during the day, just use your simple face cream, and at night apply your pure carrot face cream. This pure carrot face cream is a game changer. If you have used this particular face cream, you're definitely going to understand what I'm talking about. This is one face cream that is going to give you that bright, beautiful, glowing skin. It contains amazing ingredients like glutathione that is going to gradually brighten up your complexion and give you a smooth, bright, beautiful, glowing face. See, when I was using this particular face cream, I really loved it until I stopped seeing it around. But if you can lay your hands on this, just scrub these two face creams and use them in your skincare routine and watch how your face is going to be. This is a perfect combo for an everyday glow. So if you really want to be glowing and you want a face cream you can use on a day-to-day basis, just get this and you're going to love it. Moving on, we have this new face cream with the Olay Anti-Wrinkle Firm and Lift Cream. You see these two face creams right here. I had to put it on the list for my girlies who love to brighten up their skin and equally glow their skin while preventing aging signs on their face. See, if you really want your face to look all young, all yummy, all glowy, all bright, like you want every time people see you, they'll be asking or wondering your age, then this is the right combo for you. If you're in your mid-20s, your 30s, your 40s, and you still want to brighten up your face and at the same time prevent aging signs on your skin or tackle the aging signs that are already on your face, then this is a combo you need to go add in your routine. The new face cream is perfect for daytime use. This is a face cream that is going to help brighten and glow your face. It contains amazing ingredients that is not going to make your skin sensitive to the sun during the day. In fact, it contains vitamin C. And you guys know that vitamin C is a great antioxidant. When you pair it together with your sunscreen during the day, it's going to offer you enough sun protection. Now, imagine when you now combine this particular face cream with your Olay Anti-Wrinkle Firm and Lift Cream, which is known to prevent aging signs on the skin. Your skin is obviously going to look all smooth, wrinkle free, and sagging free. Now, you can equally get this for your momsy if she's getting to her 50s, her 60s, and you still want to curtail the sagging skin on her skin. So if you want her attending events and glowing all through, just get this for her. Moving on, and of my favorite face creams to combine if you really want to brighten and glow your face is combining this Nivea soft face cream together with the healthy glow face cream. See, if your face looks darker than your body and you really want to blend it and make it even, you want to have a uniform skin from your head down to your toe, then this particular combo is what you need. This Nivea soft moisturizing cream is perfect for both daytime use and nighttime use. Now, when it comes to the healthy glow face cream, this particular face cream is there to help brighten up your complexion and give you a nice even toned skin. This is a face cream that is going to help blend the skin on your face with that on your body. So if you want your skin to look all uniform and evenly toned, get these two face creams right here, combine them together in your routine, and watch how beautiful your skin is gonna look. Now, another combo I have for you guys is this Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream combined with True Skin Face Cream. See, I actually added this particular combo because of my USA, UK based clients and other Canadian based clients that really love to achieve a bright skin and usually complain that they cannot get theirs. These two face creams right here can be found on Amazon, and this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream can be used in your daytime routine. It's going to help moisturize, nourish, smoothen, soften, and glow your skin. If you want a baby looking face, this is the perfect face cream for you to use. Now, imagine when you combine it with the True Skin Vitamin C face cream. This is gonna be an all-round brightening and glowy skin. Your face is gonna look smooth, spotless, and glowing. The effect you're going to see on your skin is going to be as soft as a baby's butt, because you're definitely going to fall in love with the amount of fragrance that you achieve pairing these two face creams together. So if you're a rich body that loves good things, of course you do, then lay your hands on this particular face creams and you're going to love the effect. The bonus face cream I have for you guys is combining this 345 daily face cream together with this Perma Skin Success Face Cream. You see this combo right here. If you suffer a lot with dark spots and you have spent money on different face creams and it seems not to be going away, like you are tired already and you don't even know what to use for your dark spots, then this is the combo I would advise you go for. The 345 daily moisturizing face cream is going to help soften your skin, repair your skin. Is a soothing cream. If your skin barrier is already damaged, this particular face cream is going to help you fix that. Whereas the Perma Skin Success Face Cream is going to help tackle your dark spots. Now, one trick when it comes to skincare is if you're treating a particular skin condition like dark spots, you want to include a moisturizing or nourishing ingredients in your routine to be able to have your skin to be supple, and then the active ingredients you're using will now be able to penetrate in deeply and work very well. And that is exactly what this combo is going to help do on your skin. The 345 will repair your skin, moisturize, nourish, and glow your skin, whereas this Perma Skin Success Face Cream is going to come in to tackle those dark spots and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing face. So go try this out and you will see your dark spots disappear in a matter of weeks. So there you have it. You can use this in the morning and that at night to achieve that brightening and glowy skin that you always want. It's going to give you that perfect, smooth, spotless face. So go combine any of those face creams and you're definitely going to fall in love with them. I hope today's video was helpful. If you really found this video helpful or you enjoyed watching it, then make sure to like this video. Leave your girl a comment in the comment section on what you would love to see next. And catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.